Namaste, my dear Techonquer family. Hope you guys are doing great. So, this video is not going to be another boring announcement video. Let me clear you that. Of course, we will be launching our new course and we will be discussing about the syllabus in the later part. But before that, I just want to clarify few questions which most of the students ask before enrollment. So, let's start. Let's start with question number one. Why should I choose cybersecurity as my career? You can choose AI, quantum computing, IoT, cloud. There are many other options, right? So why you have to choose cybersecurity only? If you ask my suggestions, I will suggest cybersecurity because before 50 years also, this security has its own significance. For example, physical security, we have door locks, and after 50 to 100 years also, this security, in security, cybersecurity will have its own significance because if you go for IoT, there is security for IoT. If you go for cloud, there is security for cloud, right? If you go for AI, there is also AI security. So that's the answer for the question one. Next is question two. I can learn everything for free on YouTube. Why should I pay for this course? Right? Before few years, I also had the same mindset. You can learn from the YouTube or you can download some stuff in Telegram also. But if you are in a beginner phase, okay, there may be a millions of resources available for free. But you have to know which resources, which path should I go? Right? For that, you need a mentor at the first phase. So, I also believe in a self study and self learning. But to walk, also, you need to know the direction, right? So, for that, if you need a direction, then I suggest you to enroll to our course, which we will be discussing later. Question number three, which is I'm a beginner. Is this course too advanced for me? Of course, this course, which we are going to launch, is consist of a intermediate to advanced level. But I will be guiding from the beginner to advanced level pathway. If you don't know anything about the cybersecurity, if you don't know anything about programming language, I will be there to guide you. No worries in that. So, question four. Will I get hands on projects and real world scenarios, or is it mostly theoretical? Some of the companies, like other edutech companies, focus on just theory part, and some other edutech companies are just, hey, theory is just for children. We don't focus on theory. We will just do hands on practice. Of course, I believe that in cybersecurity, hands-on practice is must. But if you don't know what are its impact, what are its causes, how it is working, then practical experience has no significance, right? So in Techonquer, we follow 40-60 rule, right? 40 is for theory and 60 is for practical hands-on experience. We are launching 3 months live VAPT training. So, if I will be sharing this link in the description box and the comment box, you can check it out. So, before discussing about the price and all, we will go for the syllabus directly. Before syllabus, if you want demonstration links, you can go for this prompt instructions, which I had recently updated. And luckily or unluckily, I will be your mentor. So my name is Chitra Karanam, and I'm co-founder of Techonquer. So I recently won a gold in National Skill Olympics Cybersecurity, and I have 5 years of experience in teaching, and I'm also a part-time bug bounty hunter from 5 years actually. So I have found more than I have found and reported more than 1,000 plus bugs or vulnerabilities. You can check it out through my LinkedIn account. I have attached here. So syllabus is How to become a certified VAPT expert. So, expert, you can't expect in 3 months, but I will guide you. This course will build you a mindset. How can you become the red team or VAPT expert? So, the course duration is 3 months, and this weekly we have classes, three classes, and this Saturday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This can be changed, okay? So, 1.5 hours per session, and yes, internship opportunity for the well performers in my classroom. I will give you a paid internship opportunity. You should not pay, I will only pay you, okay? Next is here is a syllabus. So if you are a complete beginner, I can start from the basics like Linux, networking, all those stuffs. I can also start with the web technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, no worries. Here VAPT foundations. We will be starting with VAPT foundations, penetration testing methodologies, and web application security. We will be starting with web application security and API securities. So we'll be discussing all those vulnerabilities which comes under the web app as well as API. So these are the syllabus. And second, we will be touching the AI security part also, not in depth, but we will be getting a overview idea. AI security fundamentals and LLM, basic LLM attack surface, attacks like prompt injection and jailbreaking techniques, AI agent security and API exploitations. Next is AI red team methodology and how to report it. Next, here is we have also included the AD part. If you know AD means, you will be knowing the 70 to 80% of red teaming. AI is AD is very core part of it. So Active Directory exploitations and this Kerberos credential dumping and all we will be studying. And AD part 2, here we will be going in depth of it. Okay. Next is network infrastructure penetration testing. So here we will be discovering the network discovery, fingerprinting, attack path analysis, man in the middle attacks, etc. Cloud pen testing fundamentals also we will be discussing, but in a small amount. Okay. Next is social engineering and phishing simulation. Here we will be discussing the attack part also and also the defensive. Next is post exploitation and lateral movement. So this comes at the end of the red teaming, like after you gain the access to the system, what steps and what techniques you have to implement. Next is few red team operations like command and control infrastructure setup and ABEDR evasion techniques we will be looking into, and real world pen testing life cycles. Okay, so this two are interlinked, not only two, this three are interlinked. And here is my favorite module, which is bug bounty hunting. I will show you how to approach the targets and how to start the testing, okay, how hunting. So if you had found the vulnerability on any target, how should you report it? There is a specific format. Okay, you should not report directly like just video POC and all. There are some steps you must follow. We will be discussing in the report writing and all. Next is CTFs and interview preparations. This is a very important part. Like if you are already a CTF player, no worries. But if you don't know about what is CTFs and all, we will be solving the live hands-on CTF challenges. And the main thing, interview preparations. If you want to go for blue teaming or red teaming or any other subdomain under the cybersecurity, I can train you for that particular interview. So that's it. We have completed the all the modules which we will be covering in the 3 months. Okay. And after that also, you can be in touch with me. Okay. If you want any suggestions or any doubts regarding a career or anything, you can ping me and I assure you I will reply within the minutes. Okay. So if you are interested to enroll in this course, you can click on enroll now, and the course is for 5,999 rupees. So if you are interested, please enroll. Hoping to see you soon. Thank you.